PHPUnit is a popular unit testing framework for PHP. Today we will see how we can install PHPUnit on Windows 10 operating system. Open your browser and search PHPUnit. Click on this PHPUnit link from phpunit.de, which is the official PHPUnit website. I will put this link in the description. PHPUnit 12 is the current stable version at the time of recording this video. Click on Take First Steps. Here is a brief writing on how to get started with PHPUnit 12. To use PHPUnit 12, you will need PHP 8.3 or PHP 8.4 installed in your system. And two different ways of installing PHPUnit are described here. First way is to download PHPUnit as a PHP archive or FAR file. This PHP archive contains everything you need to work with PHPUnit. Next way is to install PHPUnit Framework using Composer. And Composer is a dependency manager for PHP. Installing PHPUnit using Composer is the recommended and the most preferred way. So we will install PHPUnit using Composer. But to start using Composer, we have to install PHP first. So we will first install PHP and Composer, and then we will install PHPUnit. If you already have PHP and Composer installed in your system, you can skip this and directly proceed to PHPUnit installation. I will mention timestamps in description. Let us install PHP first. If you already have PHP installed in your system, you can skip this step and proceed to Composer installation step. The timestamps are mentioned in the description box. Open your browser and search PHP. Click on this link from php.net, which is the official PHP website. Here you can see PHP 8.4 is the latest version at the current time. Click download. Under current stable PHP 8.4.7, Windows downloads link is available. Click on that. Here you can see two sections are shown. First one is PHP non-thread safe version and second one is PHP thread safe version. We will be downloading the thread safe version of PHP. Click on the zip link below the thread safe version. This will start downloading PHP. Once the download is finished, open the zip file we have downloaded. Right click and select extract into folder. Here is the extracted folder. I will rename this to a shorter name for ease of use, say PHP 8.4.7. Copy this folder, go to C drive and paste it there. If asked for permissions, click continue. The folder is copied. Let us go inside the folder. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see PHP executable located here. We will copy this path where php.exe is located to system path. This will allow other programs in the system locate PHP installation. Click the path in the Explorer, right-click and select Copy. Go to Search and type env. You can see Edit System Environment link here. Click on that. Click on Environment Variables. Select Path. Click Edit button. Click New. Paste the path we have copied. Click OK, OK and OK again. Open a new command prompt. Run this command php space -- version. You can see PHP version 8.4.7 is installed. Our next step is to install Composer. If you have Composer already installed in your system, you can skip this step and proceed to PHPUnit Installation step. I have mentioned timestamps in the description. Open your browser and search Composer. Go to getcomposer.org. Click download link. Under the Windows installer section, click on Composer setup.exe link. This will start downloading Composer setup file. Wait until download is complete. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file. Double-click the downloaded file, Composer setup.exe. Click Install for all users. The setup will confirm, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your system? Click Yes to confirm. You can skip this. Click Next. Composer setup has detected the PHP installation path. You can see here. Click Next. You can skip this. Click Next. Setup is ready to install Composer. Click Install. Wait while setup completes the installation. Please read this information. You must open a new terminal window to start using Composer for the first time. Click Next. Composer installation is complete. Click Finish. Open a new command prompt. Type this command, Composer space -- version, and press Enter. You can see Composer version 2.8.9 is installed. If you run just Composer, you can see a list of commands associated with Composer. We have PHP and Composer installed. Now let us install PHPUnit. You can install PHPUnit either globally and use it with multiple projects, or install it locally inside a single project and use the installed PHPUnit only with that project. We will install PHPUnit locally inside a project folder. So here I will create a project folder, PHPUnit sample project. Double click and open the project folder. Click Explorer URL, type cmd and press enter. This will open the folder inside command prompt. So we are inside new project folder in the command prompt. Open the PHPUnit documentation. Click on take first step. Below getting started with PHPUnit 12, under the composer section, you can see the command to install PHPUnit using composer. I will put this command in description. You can copy paste it into your command prompt. Let me copy paste the command into command prompt. After pasting the command inside the terminal, press enter to run the command. Composer is installing PHPUnit and its dependencies into project folder. Composer has completed the PHPUnit installation. Now I will open the project folder inside VS Code and see what files Composer has created. So choose our project folder. Click select. You can see Composer created these two files, composer.json and composer.log. Also a vendor folder which contains all files required by the PHPUnit framework and its dependencies. Let me open vendor folder. Open bin folder. Here you can see PHPUnit executable. Let me close the VS Code editor. You can use this command to check the PHPUnit version. Copy and paste the command into terminal and press enter. This will show the PHPUnit version we have installed.